Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the IPSY Glam Bag for November, and you haven't seen this one on the channel in a while. Before we do get into this November IPSY Glam Bag, I have been asking on all my videos, hopefully you've been watching them, to please help me get back on the YouTube radar. I'm trying to get back into the YouTube algorithm to promote videos after being a little bit slower putting things out in the summer. So I'm working diligently to get you guys consistent content, and I appreciate you guys for watching. If you do like my content and want to see more of it, I'd love for you to hit like if you like this video, and it's the only one you've ever seen. Hit like, keep watching for more, and hit subscribe. Comment on the videos. All that helps support my channel and help me get back into the YouTube flow of things, and I would appreciate it very much. But for right now, let's check and see what's inside this bag. Okay, so the November bag can all fit into one bag, so they sent some of it out of the side. But first, let me show you this adorable bag. It's fuzzy, you guys. This is plushy, fuzzy like a teddy bear. It has the IPSY pull. The zipper is purple. It has a purple little IPSY tag. And, oh, I didn't realize it's got a purple gemstone in the zipper. That's adorable. And it unzips to a purpley inside, and you can see a sneak peek of what's inside. If you have watched my channel long enough to have been around when I was doing IPSY before, you'll know I very often forget to pull out the card and read what's about what the products are. So I'm going to get that out now. The theme for this is Paint the Season Bright, so I can't wait to see. And it's got a lot. It's actually a bigger card than they used to do, but it does still have the information about the products. I guess in the theme of painting the season bright, we got a brush, and I think there we go, get it out. This is a double-ended brush. We have kind of a packing brush on one end and a little bit of a blender on the other end, an angly brush. This is from Farrah, and this is an eye shader and contour shader, and this has a value of $18. So that's an $18 brush. It is super pretty, good to use for your eyeshadows, especially being versatile, having double-ended brushes. So that's really cool. So we got an $18 brush. This bag itself is like $14. So with shipping, we are under the cost of just this brush. So if you're in the market for a brush anyway, you can get the bag and get your brush, pay for the bag. So that's really cool. So let's check and see what else is inside here. I'm going to save that one to last because it looks fun. All right, the next thing is a very tiny little Dr. Brandt, and this is... There we go. It's a little bright. Goodness. Okay. So this is a Luminator primer. This is a primer. Let's see if we can get it where you guys can see. There we go. Dr. Brandt primer. This is obviously going to be a sample size. This is the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pores No More Luminizer Primer. And this says the full size is $40 at 30 mils. And this is 10. So we got a third of full size. That's actually really good. We got 10 mil. The full size is 30 mils, and this is a $40 full size product. So we got over $10 value just in our little sample. So that's a great value. Plus you get a little primer of the Dr. Brandt you can try. Our next item in here is a Seraphine Botanicals, and this is an eyeliner. And this one is, this is full size. This is a $25 value. And I'm going to open it. I'm actually wearing Seraphine Botanicals blush today. Didn't realize it was going to be in the bag. But I got a little cream blush palette months ago in a bag or a box. I don't have any idea where I got it from, but I love it. I've used one of the colors almost completely, but it's an eye and lip palette, so you can use it for lipstick or blush. So this is a Carbonite eyeliner, and this is going to be, I got stuff stuck to me, a gel eyeliner pencil. Ooh, that's a nice fine tip. Let's see. See, that is very cool. And let's see how this goes on. Ooh, that is super smooth. And I did a light touch on it and it came out really pigmented. So that's going to be a great one. I cannot wait to try that. I'm going to let it dry a second and see if it's transfer resistant. This actually tip smudge. Oh, it says... there's a tip on here. I thought I was talking about the tip on here. It's a tip. It says smudge immediately after applying for a lived-in smoky vibe. Whew. So $25 value, plus we got our $18 brush, and that is already dry and not moving at all. So that's a great one. I love Stay Put eyeliner. But wait, there's more. There's actually one more thing in the bag, and plus there's a thing I took out already. This is a Dermalectives Purifying Gentle Face Scrub. Ooh, that is, you guys can't see that at all. A Dermalectives Purifying Face Scrub. And this one is a gentle face scrub. And this says we will get a full size 50 ml for $140. This is 100. Okay. This size is 15 mils. So we have, let's see, how big was the full size again? 50. So we got more than a fifth of $140 face scrub. Dermalectives is super expensive, and this is going to be a great one. There's not a lot in here, but you can try it for a few face washes at least and see if you like it. So this is, again, $140. Okay, my math is wonky. We actually got more than a quarter size of the full size. Full size is 50 mils. This is 15 mils. So we got like a $40, almost $30. I don't know. Somebody do the math for me and leave in the comments how much this is worth. This is 15 mil. 50 mil is worth $140. So that's very cool. This is, wow, IPSY. I mean, this is a $15 bag. I mean, basically. And then there's still more. We got a palette, and I just lost my eyeliner. My eyeliner rolled up. We got a palette, you guys. This is an Estate Beauty Rose Rendezvous palette. This is a 9-pan. It's a tiny, but a 9-pan palette. Tiny 9 pans. Let's see what they look like. Ooh, pretty. There's no mirror, but these are the colors. You can do a smoky eye with that. You can do a pretty pink or neutral color eye. You got variety with this little 9-pan. We've got a few sparkles, some matte. That's actually a really cool palette. So that is a full size for $18. So we got 3, you guys. 3 full size products from IPSY in this $15 bag, plus the bag. So I'm going to show you again. We got our $18 brush. We got our really expensive little face cleanser. We got our, how much was this again? $25 eyeliner. We got our little sample of Dr. Brandt, and this is a primer. We got our 9-pan palette, and we got our fun IPSY bag. Wow, I actually stopped IPSY because I wasn't getting enough stuff in there that made it worth it for me to buy it, but I wanted to try it again to show you guys. And when I signed back up, I really can't remember if I got to pick an item. If I did, I probably picked the eyeliner, but I think I signed up, and then when you first sign up, you may not get to pick a product, but next month you always get my next one, I will get a pick item, and I'll get to see what I get to pick. But I'm not mad at this one at all. I like every single item in this bag, and that I don't think I've ever said about IPSY before. I'm really tempted to start back up the box, which they've actually renamed everything. This is no longer the Glam Bag. This is the original. The one that used to be the BoxyCharm IPSY box is now the upgrade. And then what was the Icon box is now the Ultimate box. It still comes out every quarter. Everything's still basically the same, but they changed all the names. I'm not sure why they did that, but they did that. So check out the link below if you're interested in IPSY. It's just a link to their website. I don't have any referral or anything, but I do encourage you to check it out if you just want to dip into new things, try new fun things for not a lot of money. IPSY is a great choice for that. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, don't forget to hit like and leave me a comment. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.